The Logitech G Pro multi-panel offers a comprehensive solution for flight simulation enthusiasts, providing a full autopilot LED display that integrates seamlessly with popular simulation software. Users can enjoy hands-on control with the integrated dial that allows for quick adjustments to altitude settings, making the flying experience more immersive and realistic. This panel supports a wide range of functions, including throttle, flaps, and elevator trim adjustments, enhancing the overall control users have over their virtual aircraft. Compatibility with popular flight simulation software such as FSX and X-Plane ensures that users can easily incorporate this panel into their existing setups. Designed to be mounted onto the Pro Flight Yoke System or a custom home cockpit, it offers flexibility in installation to suit various user preferences. The panel is compatible with Windows operating systems from version 7 and newer, accommodating a broad range of PC setups for flight simulation enthusiasts.